Welcome back to HighLevel Techie, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a snapshot. So let's just dive into it. In order to create a snapshot, you have to be an agency admin or agency owner, and you have to be on the agency account. So I am in the agency dashboard now, and I am on the account snapshot. So if you click on account snapshot, you will see all your snapshots. So these two snapshots are the snapshots that I have built earlier. So now what I'm going to do is build a new one. To build a new one, all you have to do is click create a new snapshot. Once you click that, it will ask you for a snapshot name. So this is going to be a double opt-in snapshot. So I'm gonna call it double opt-in snapshot. You can change this name later. So whatever name you give now, doesn't matter, you can change it later. And now what you have to do is select a sub account. So a snapshot is basically a sub account. You are taking the snapshot of a whole sub account, and you cannot pick and choose. You get the whole sub account as it is. So for example, now I'm going to select the sub account that I'm working on. It's called HighLevel Techie. There is no surprise in there. So I'm going to select HighLevel Techie from this drop down. And if I select HighLevel Techie, all I have to do now is to click next. Then it will show you a list of items that you have on the sub account. So here you can see I have 30 custom fields. If you click on this, you can see all the custom fields that I have and dashboards I have. And if you see any number here, it means that, so those are the assets that gets into the snapshot or gets snapshotted. So you can see I have a trigger link. I have so many things. And when I click create, this will take a snapshot of all that and make it into a snapshot. So that's what we are going to do. But for now, I'm going to select a different account. It's just going to show you this as a demo. So what I really wanted to do is select the double opt-in account that I created. And then I only have all the assets related to that specific workflow, if that makes sense. So I just cancel it and I'm going to create a new one, create a new snapshot. So I'm going to follow a naming convention here. All my snapshot will be numbered. Snapshot 01 is auto update custom value snapshot. So this is going to be part of my free offering when anyone signs up for HighLevel Techie. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to select a sub account auto update waitlist snapshot. In this, I have all the assets related to auto update waitlist. So if I click next, you will see all the assets that are part of this. I have only 29 custom fields in here, 2 custom values, and then you can also see I have 2 workflows which are related to automatic waitlist update. Okay, so now when I click create, a snapshot will be created. If you don't see it, don't worry. All you have to do is refresh this page and come back here again, and you will see that snapshot is here. Now we have a snapshot. What you can do with this snapshot is you can create a sub account using this plus icon. So if you click here, you can create a new account or a new sub account using all the assets from this snapshot. So let me quickly show you how you can create a new account using this snapshot. And you see this plus button. You click this plus button to create a new account. And all you have to do now is to search for that business from this map. Once you finish with that, once you click save, once you switch to your sub account, you would see that all the assets that you created on this snapshot is loaded into your new sub account. That's how easy it is to create a new sub account based off of a snapshot. So let's go back to snapshot again. So now imagine you created some changes in the actual original sub account from which you created this snapshot. For example, you added a form, you added a workflow, and you probably deleted a trigger link and all that. And you want to reflect those changes back to your snapshot. So in that case, what you have to do is come here and click on this button, refresh snapshot. So the step 1 is go into the sub account from which you created the snapshot, and you make the edits to that sub account, what I would call an origin sub account. Once you make the changes, once you save the changes into the sub account, you come to your agency dashboard and click on account snapshot and select the snapshot which was created from that sub account, and you click refresh snapshot. In this case, all the changes that you made in that sub account will be reflected into this snapshot when you click this button, and you click confirm, and this will take a minute or two to refresh it. Now we have also created a sub account from this snapshot, and if you want those changes reflected into those sub accounts as well, what you have to do is you click here to push update to the linked locations. This is when you can pick and choose how you want to push that update. So I'll show you another example here. So if I click here, there is a sub account linked to this snapshot. You select this sub account. This is where you want to push that changes. And now click proceed. And here you can pick and choose which assets you want to push to this sub account, right? So there are two calendars, and then if you come here, there are two options. You can select this, and then only this calendar will be pushed to the linked account. You can select all and then deselect things. Depending on your requirement, you can either select all or deselect all and then pick and choose. There are two ways to select things. You can select all, means you select everything under this, or else you can go inside. For example, I'm going inside custom fields, right? So I want all the custom fields. In that case, I select all the custom fields. Then I can go inside and deselect things that I don't want. So whatever makes sense to you, you can do so. If you just want one or two, then deselect all and then pick those one or two. And the next step would be to proceed to check conflicts. If there are same sort of assets already present in the sub account to which you are pushing the update, then it will show some conflicts. So let's try select all. I don't think there will be any conflict in this, but let's see. And now we click proceed to check conflicts. And if there are any conflicts, you would see that in here. And if you think that this is not a conflict, I really want to push this update, all you have to do is select all, and then you proceed with pushing all the updates. When you select all and move forward, this asset will get overwritten if there are any conflicts. If there are no conflicts, it will get created. And if you don't want to override anything, just deselect them and then you click proceed. So in this case, I don't think there are any conflicts. Even if there are conflicts, this is like a test account, so I can easily proceed. Then HighLevel will give you ample warning to make sure that you are not overwriting any data. So you have to type confirm here, and then only you can proceed. It will take a minute or two to update the snapshot, and all the changes you made in your origin snapshot will now be reflected onto the linked accounts as well. So this is how you create a snapshot. You create an account from a snapshot, refresh your snapshot, then you make changes in the origin sub account, and you push those updates to linked locations. So I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions related to snapshot, how you can make one, how you can push snapshots to linked accounts and all that, please let me know. Happy to help. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye.